Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to make these cute 3D Perlerbead elephants. Now I'm going to start off with telling you the supplies you will need. To make these cute 3D elephants, you will need gray perler beads. You will also need 37 black and 7 peachy color for the inside of the ears and also the cheeks. You will need a pegboard and an iron for later. Now let's get started. These are the pieces that you will need to make. These 6 pieces right here are going to be the pieces that you will make to be able to build this 3D elephant. Now I'm going to step by step help you make this piece right here, which you will need to make 2 of. To start, as you can see, it has 2 beads on the top here. So that's what we're going to do first. Just like that. And proceeding to that is 4 beads. So you can go ahead and do that using your gray. And then, as you can see, there is a hole right here. So we will be skipping that when we get to it. But first you're going to add 4 more. And then now we're at that row with the hole. So you are going to skip over that spot, which is the 3rd spot in that row, just like that. That way later we can stick the eyes right through the middle of it. Now we can continue, add a row under that with only 3 beads. Then you will take one of your peachy pink color for the cheek and put it right there. Now, all you're going to do is you're going to surround it. So you're going to put a bead here, and you're going to make a little box around it, just like that. After that, as you can see, it has 3 gray beads under that peachy color. So now there's 3. Then you can make this be lined up with this. And then you can add some more beads on top. Now you can take 3 of your black or like dark gray color and put them right there. Then after that, we're going to continue with the dark gray. And as you can see, there's a little space right there. So we're going to leave that there and add 2 beads on the side. And then you can add the 4 beads that are on the top there. And proceeding to that will be a row of 5 beads down below. Then the next row will extend by 1 bead. So you can go ahead and do that. Just like so. And as you can see here, next to this peachy color, there are 4 beads. So you can go ahead and add the 2 more beads to make it then 4. And then again, leave a space and add a bead right there. Then you can add a row under it. And the last part of this piece is a 2 rows right there. And then you're going to add 3 more. And right under it, add 3 more to line it up. And then add 3 of your black or dark gray color. Now go ahead and make your second piece of that. Okay, so now I've made my second piece of this, and if you need to see how to make the second one, you can rewind the video and go see this piece right here and how I made it. Next, we are going to move on to this one, which you only need one of it. So to start, you're going to add the 3 beads up there. And yes, you can fit this whole design on one pegboard. And then you can see that there's 4 beads, but extend it on that side by 1 bead. Just like that. Then add 1 more row of 4 beads. And then for the next row, you're going to leave a space once again. You're going to add 2 beads on one side and then leave a space right there and add 1 bead onto that side. And then you're going to add 3 more beads right underneath it. Just like that. And then take another one of your peachy color and put it right there. Just like we did last time, no different. It's exactly across from the eye. Then you're going to make a square around it, once again like we did for the last piece. Okay, now we've done that. And then you're going to put 2 beads right there next to it. And now that you have that done, you can make this little trunk part right here. And all you have to do is you add 3 beads right there. And then you take 2 more beads, make them extend a row further, just like that. Then you're not going to add any more beads right there. You're going to move up to the next row, and you are going to make a row next to this right here. It's going to be 5 beads tall, and then you're going to add 4 beads to the side. Then you're going to extend it by 1. So add 5 beads, just like so. And then you're going to extend it again on the next row by 1. Just like that. So then it kind of looks like stairs. Then you're going to go down 2. And then you're going to have a square with 4 in it. Now once again, next to the peachy color, we're going to add 4 beads. So now it has 4 gray ones right next to the peachy color. And then just leave these 2 right there blank. And then fill in this little part down here. Just like that. So there is still a hole. And then the last bead for this piece is a black one that goes right there. And now you're done with this piece. And like I said in the beginning, you do not have to make 2 of that one. Only make 1. Now moving on to the smaller pieces. Now you're going to make the elephant ears. So you're going to need some black here to make this part. So you're going to put 2 beads on the top, and then you're going to put 3 beads right below it of black or dark gray. Do not use the gray that we used just now for the other pieces. So now that you have that, you are going to go down 2 beads over here to make it have a row of 3. And then you're going to put down 3 beads over here. And then going to the left, you are going to add 1 bead right there to make it look like this. Then you can take 2 of your peachy color and put it inside of that little spot, just like that. Then you're going to take 6 of that gray color that we were using before and put it against right next to this row of 3, and then do 1 more row of 3 right below it, just like that. Then you're going to take more of your black or dark gray color and put 3 more right there and 2 more right above it. Just like that. Then once again, take your black and make it go down 3 over here. Just like that. And add 2 more black over here. Now you're going to take 1 more black, put it right there. Then you're going to take 2 of your peachy color and put it right there. So now you're done with this piece. And you do not have to make 2 of that one either, just 1. Now we have the 2 easiest pieces, which are right here. For this gray one right here, all you're going to do is you're going to just do a square of 6. Just like that. And that's already a piece, and you only have to make 1 of that, because these ones are the connectors. You'll see how they're like that in the end. Then, for this piece, it's the easiest piece in the whole entire pattern. You're going to add 2 black beads with space in between them, and then put 1 gray bead in the middle. And now you have finished all of your pieces for your elephant. Now that you are done with that, you are going to want to go and iron them. But when you iron them, you're going to want to make the setting lower. So if it was like super high, like all the way to here, you're going to want to turn it like all the way down to here. You do not want it to be super hot. Otherwise, they're going to be super flat and you probably won't be able to build them. Now that you've finished all your pieces, you can go and iron them. Okay, I just finished ironing mine. So now what you are going to do is you are going to take one of these pieces that we made 2 of, right here, and you are going to take the little black piece, the little 2 eyes, and you're going to stick it into this hole right here. Just like that, with 2 beads sticking up still. Then you're going to take your little gray one and put it into this hole. Just like that, with 2 rows of beads sticking up. It should look like this. Then you're going to take this piece with the trunk that you only made 1 of and stick it right above, making sure that it fits right through the holes. So you're going to stick it through there. Just like that, the eye went right through. And if you ironed them too much, this is not going to work. So you might have to restart if this is not putting together. Just like that, there should be 1 row of them sticking up now. Then take your other big piece that you made 2 of and just stick it right on top. Just like so. Then you're probably wondering, where are the ears? Well, this is what this piece is for. All you do is, you see how there's this little row right here, right there? You're just going to stick them right in there. Just like so. And now you have finished your elephant. Now, if you want to make this little one right here, you're going to have to use the miniature pearly beads, but you follow this exact same design for it. But it's going to be a lot harder. And you can even try different shades of gray. As for here, I used black. This one I used dark gray. But thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. That way you can see more videos that are coming.